Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the start of a great garden. I know it don't look like much now, but hey, this was time and planning, and it'll only get bigger. Okay, so as you see here, we have the two hormicultural beds here and here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have these two wicking systems on blocks. I want to keep them up off the ground. And then this was an extra thing of soil. We'll probably have one or two of the dragon fruits go in this one. And then we have two more of our wicking systems over here. And we also had another container of soil left over. So we're not quite sure what we're going to stick in there yet. But the husband says he thinks it'll probably be dragon fruit since they are growing the fastest and need stability. So here is the hormicultural beds. And this is what it's going to look like from this side. I hope you enjoy this. And these are just some ideas that you can have. Everybody has their own way of doing things, and this is what mine's going to look like. But in the next few months, we're going to go ahead and get the other two ICBs. So they'll probably come out this way and not go that way. But that's how it turned out. And I got my lemon tree over there being part of it, you know. So that's how it all turned out, and I hope you like it. I know it don't look like much, but to me it's a lot. That's a full day's work, baby. Okay, well, y'all have a good night. Come back and see us. The chickies are fixing to get treats. Daddy's bringing the corn. I get corn 5 for $1 at Winn-Dixie, and I bring it home and feed it to my chickens as treats. They love it. All right, well, y'all have a good day. Don't do